Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to do series connection. Okay, and this is the circuit diagram of a series connection. Okay, I've connected one resistance one all to all means load. Means you can connect here ball in place of symbol of resistance. So this is ball means load. Okay, ball 1, ball 2, ball 3. Now I will show you how to calculate the resistance, voltage and total amps, okay, from this circuit diagram. This is the formula how to calculate the total resistance and total voltage in case of series connection. Okay, in case of series connection, V equal to IR. Okay, you know, everyone know that, but R equal to I equal to constant means load remains, amps remain same. Okay, only voltage is variable. You can see voltage is variable. This is the process how to I'll show you how to do practically. Okay, take two bulb, connect in series. Okay, connect with supply. Okay, after that it will be open. Okay, it will be open. Okay, then short. Okay, short. Okay, after that it will glow, means our series connection is perfect. If you want more video electrical electronic, then please subscribe my channel and support me, and thanks to everyone and subscribe my channel.